south side?
All right, we're at the top of the waterfall. I'm going. Michelle, follow in my footsteps.
I wanted to go first.
You wanted to go first? Oh, shoot. This is crazy. We're walking across a frozen waterfall. Yeah, it's pretty solid here. Wow. We're on a waterfall. This is terrific. All right, I'm getting up on the rock. I'm here for you if you need me. Lend me a hand. Yeah, you made it. Hey, we're on the other side. Now just be careful over here, babe. It's rough and rocky terrain. Wow. That is awesome. I saw ice falling down in there.
Weirdly.
Yeah, in that little cave. Whoa. Look at that. That's so beautiful. Wow.
That's crazy.
Yeah. I bet you it's really neat in the summertime too, especially being this close, like when it's not frozen over. That would be so cool.
I don't know about going all the way down there.
I don't know if I want to go down there now. That's a ways down. But it's cool to be here.